With the suspect in custody now, the Utah County Attorney's Office plans to file charges on Tuesday. Our Kate Gardner spoke to an attorney to learn more about what the charges could include. Kate, we know the governor is eager, is hoping prosecutors seek the death penalty here.
Yeah, and I spoke to Utah Attorney Clayton Sims, and he believes that Robinson will face death penalty eligible charges from both the state level and the federal level.
I'd be very, very surprised if the death penalty was not sought. I think it's almost a guarantee.
Utah Attorney Clayton Sims says the Utah County District Attorney will likely charge Tyler Robinson with aggravated murder.
There has to be a number of factors. It's not just an ordinary murder. It has to be cruel technique or a particular depraved manner. It could be killing multiple people or putting multiple people's lives at risk.
Counts in or not counting gang violence. Great.
The shooting of Charlie Kirk, he says, fits the criteria for a number of reasons.
And also to planning. You planned what you wore that day, your getaway, all of those things were part of the planning. You blended in, maybe even the shirt you chose that had an American flag on it was designed to blend into the crowd.
He says the crime also fits the criteria of domestic terrorism, a federal offense.
Ideologically motivated, violent criminal acts committed by an individual or groups within the United States that aim to intimidate the civilian population, influence government policy, or affect government conduct through the dangerous acts to human life, and do so without the direction from a foreign terrorist organization.
When could the case go to trial?
I would say the earliest theoretically could go would be 2.5 years.
He says this is partially because of the amount of evidence there will be, and because if any mistakes are made during the trial, the death penalty will be removed. And if there are no issues,
and there would be appeals, and then so ultimately there could be an execution. It could be in the federal system or the state system.
Okay, so I also reached out to the Utah County Attorney's Office today. The last day that they can file charges is Tuesday, and they plan to do it that day. Now, Robinson is also scheduled to appear in court that same day later in the afternoon.